right now. You are now tuned in. Pen crispy. I'm still going. Stop. Baby, don't tell me no. You're coming home tonight. Stop.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. So today in this video, I'm going to be spicing up the top knot bun. If my face is not familiar to you and you're just stopping by, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing. And before we get started, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up right now. Alright, so first I'm going to start parting my hair from ear to ear. I'm going to brush this out. Hopefully you guys can see. Hopefully I'm not too far away. It looks like I am. Oh my god. Okay. So now I'm going to just pin this section back just because I'm not going to be working with it at the moment. Let me scoot up just a little bit. Alright. So I'm going to part my hair like a diagonal. And then part the other side the same way. Alright. I'm just making sure they're even. Very symmetrical. So the middle section we're just going to pin back just for right now, and then we're going to work on the sides. So the sides of my hair I'm going to be brushing into like a small ponytail. Like a ponytail like that. And I'm taking some black rubber bands. And I'm just going to brush it. Alright, so that's that side, and I'm going to do the same on this side. Just going to brush it into a ponytail. Now I have two long pigtails. Alright, so now you're just going to twist the hair. Just twist it. 2-strand twist. Perfectly fine. You can braid it if you want. I'm just going to do a twist though. Alright, so for this section of my hair, I'm just going to take this and make my regular bun. I'm just going to brush it all up into a bun. And then put it into a ponytail. And to create my big bun, I tease my hair. You don't have to tease your hair. You can add weave if you don't like teasing your hair or anything. I just tease mine because I like my bun. So now I'm just wrapping my hair around itself to create the bun. And I'm kind of smoothing out the hair that's like sticking out. And then I kind of twist the end and tuck it under. Now I'm going to take these bobby pins and pin my hair in place. Oh, you guys can't see my bun. Alright, I'm just going to twist my hair back up since it came untwisted. And just pull it under your bun and tuck it under. So like that. If you can see how that looks like that. I'm gonna retwist this side too. Alright, so now I have these like little gold clamps. They're for box braids, but you can use them for any hairstyle. And I'm just going to clamp them right on the rubber band piece. Do I want to add any more? Alright, so I added some more up top, like closer to the bun, but it's still on the braid. Now we're just gonna finish the hair, the look with the baby hair. Alright. I am using CrySTYLE gel, so if you were wondering, I'm always using CrySTYLE gel. Alright, so there you guys have it with this bun tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair look and enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.